Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. This video I'm gonna share with you another Christmas DIY, all from $1 stores. Simple, quick, and easy Christmas DIY. The first one is like less than $5 Christmas DIY. The ornaments and the stickers. I just got it from a Dollar Tree, of course, and also the stickers, and that's only at $2. And for sure, the rest of this is so easy. We just need the alcohol to clean the surfaces, clean the dust, just to make sure the stickers will stick onto that, will stick into the it's so ornaments. Easy. You already have the ornaments that already have a decoration on top of it. You just need to add up the stickers. This is the only letter stickers that I have. I don't have any more. It might be better if different colors, but this is the only colors I have it in my stash. The only challenge putting the stickers into the ornaments is how to make sure that all the letters are aligned, not crooked. And after you put all the letters into the ornaments, make sure to apply the Mod Podge, just to hold up, to hold the letters, so the letters will not gonna go anywhere. And it is more easier to put the letters into the ornaments if you remove the top, the decoration on top of the ornaments. The red ornaments, I got that one from a Dollar General. I wish Dollar Tree carries also different colors of ornaments. Now we have to hot glue back the decoration on and put into on the top of the ornaments. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna add up more berries because it's only like 2 pieces or 1 pieces. I'm gonna put more berries on top of the ornaments, so it will give some colors and decoration. And it's up to you if you want to change the bow, the ribbons, or you want to add glitters or anything else, but it's up to you. But I'm just gonna leave it like this, like as simple as it is. And it's done. It's so simple, easy, and I just spent the $2 for the bells, the white bells, and the stickers. And the berries already had it left over from my previous DIYs. The red bells are from a Dollar General, which is also $1, and I just added some berries, so it's like a $2 each. $5 bells plus $2 sticker, so it's like a $7 all in all for 5 bells, and ready to hang. Merry Christmas, everyone! Then let's go to the second DIY. It's so easy and simple. We just need a pizza pan and stickers and all from a Dollar Tree, and of course the Mud Podge. We just need to clean the pizza pan to make sure there's no dust so it will stick. But after we put all the stickers and arrange it the way you want it, we just put that Mud Podge to make sure it will stick onto the pan. On this project, this DIY, I am not going to paint any of my DIY. I not because I don't like to paint, but I'm trying to make it more easier and simpler by not painting it. But it's all up to you guys if you want to paint the pan or on the edges all around it, even the bells. If you want to paint it, it's all up to you guys, but I did not. And I decided to add garlands on the edge so it looks like really wreath. I'm just gonna do one layer, and it's up to you guys if you want to add up more layers to look more fuller and busier. And I think I'm gonna make a small wreath. I use the berry garland, wrap around the small one and put it into that car, and add some berries into the garland on the edge so it will give some colors. But it's up to you guys if you want to make it if you want to add more like a bow or ribbon or lace or anything to make it look more fuller. But I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna use a little bit of rope to put it on the back, so if you decided to hang it on the wall. hope you enjoyed the video. And the next DIY I'm gonna do is a Christmas tree so I can hang all those bells. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And it's Ma'am Sky. See you on my next video. Merry Christmas!